How to use strong, durable and elegant Cemseal epoxy tile grout? After minimum of 24 hours of tile or stone fixing, remove all the impurities like dirt, additional adhesive, etc. from the gap between tiles or stones. Clean the tiles or stones well. Take Cemseal epoxy grouts bucket or any other bucket, take part A, resin, and part B, hardener, and pour in the bucket in ratio of 2:1. Mix well for 2 minutes. After mixing well for 2 minutes, add 7 parts of part C, filler powder, and mix well until a smooth creamy consistency material is achieved. Prepare the material only enough to apply within 30 minutes to avoid wastage. Before applying Cemseal epoxy tile grout, place masking tapes in place to reduce stains on tiles to the possible extent. Use putty trowel to apply material. Apply material in gap of tiles or stones. Make sure to have your putty trowel at 45° angle to avoid wastage and have proper work. Press the material using trowel to push the material to the depths of the joint gap to have a perfect bonding between tiles or stones. Remove the masking tapes before starting the process to clean the tiles. After applying Cemseal epoxy tile grout, clean the epoxy from the surface of tile or stone with a soft hand using sponge dipped into clean water or shampoo diluted water. For better results, use Cemseal Magic Cleaner to clean again after 24 hours. It will make sure that your tile or stone is shiny and free from any kind of color. And yes, never forget to clean all your instruments with clean water once work is done. Cemseal epoxy tile grout is self-curing and doesn't need any curing. Go through our technical data sheet for technical safety data for more details. Contact us on 9099 266 166 or info@cemseal.net in case of any need.